Aviation Cyber Security Airworthiness Certification course. This is 3 days course presented by Tonex Training. Aviation Cyber Security Airworthiness Certification Training is a 3-day aviation cybersecurity airworthiness preparing that acquaints members with aviation industry's prescribed procedures, cybersecurity hazard evaluation, examination, advancement, moderation and confirmation. Aviation Cyber Security Airworthiness Certification members will work in a gathering workshop to distinguish the key standards and results of aviation cybersecurity. Members will find out about the new and required aviation cybersecurity guideline and principles, for example, DO 326A, US, and ED 202A, Europe. Airworthiness Security Process Specification are the ideas of the DO 326, ED 202 set and keyworthy methods for consistence by FAA and EASA, European Aviation Safety Agency, for Aviation Cyber Security Airworthiness Certification. Learning objectives. The DO 326, ED 202 set consistence, dangers and expenses. Dissecting cybersecurity levels for the advancement, organization and administration stages. Airplane security parts of well-being, frameworks way to deal with security. Aviation flying programming advancement. Well-being focused advancement process including the C-norms ARP 4761 for safety and ARP 4754A. Programming and hardware improvement benchmarks DO 178C and DO 254. DO 356A, ED 203A, airworthiness security methods. DO 355, ED 204, Data Security Guidance for Continuing Airworthiness, US and Europe, and ED 201. ED 205, Procedure Standard for Security Certification and more. Course agenda and topics. The Airworthiness Security Process. FAA and EASA Civil Aviation Certification. FAA and EASA Airworthiness Security Certification. Aviation Cyber Security Principles. The Airworthiness Security Process Steps, Activities, and Objectives. Cybersecurity and Safety Practices for Aircraft and Systems. Aeronautical Information System Security Design, Development, and Operation. Workshop and Group Activities. Request more information regarding Aviation Cybersecurity Certification course. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.